Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again we are talking about the Vechain. In this video friends, I'm talking about the very important update of Vechain, so please keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Click the subscribe button now friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Vechain. 0.191474 US dollar is the currently price of the Vechain. And if we look the price changes occur in the Vechain, so the last 1 hour price change as negative, last 1 week change is negative, and only the last 1 day price change as positive friends. So that means that the Vechain start jumping and the previous last 1 day friends, except of the last 1 day, the previous time the previous last 1 week price change as negative. That's mean that the price of the Vechain going down in the previous last 1 week, and now in the last 1 day the prices start moving upward. In the start the price is going upward. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. But friends, let's see the price chart for a better understanding. Oh my god, that's a really good news for me that Vechain start pumping once again friends. I'm very happy, I'm very excited to see this kind of changes occur in the Vechain, and absolutely I'm really happy. I hope that we should continue this jump for a long time, and then very soon hitting 1 USD dollar friends. Anyways, if you look the last 1 week price change occur in the Vechain, so negative 21.18% changes occur. As I told you that the previous last 1 week price change occur in the Vechain as very negative friends. But as I told you in the start of this video that the last 1 hour, and as I show you, as you can see here at this time, the last 1 day price change as positive friends. So now this means that the Vechain start pumping in the previous last 1 day, and my hope is that they can continue this jump for a long time. And my prediction is also is that they are reaching as a positive cryptocurrencies, and the price the big pump are coming soon in the Vechain. And I hope that in the last of this month friends, they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar friends. If this kind of changes continue throughout this month in the Vechain, so the day is not so far that they can hit a 1 USD dollar friends. What's your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Station for more this kind of news and updates.